The Old Testament refers to the extraordinary endurance and patience of Job. In the context of the US economy, it's the labor market that has so far demonstrated that resilience and endurance, negating all previous markers, including but not limited to the Sahm rule. But labor data is clearly not job and is now deteriorating. Job openings data on Wednesday missed consensus, and for the first time since 2021, openings are below the number of unemployed people. And in the past, this has been associated with higher unemployment rates in the US. ADP data yesterday also missed what were already lowball expectations, and today, before market, we will have monthly payrolls. After the shocker of a report a month ago, expectations are already low at 75,000 and unemployment is expected to tick up further to 4.3%. Expectations for a rate cut week after next are now close to 100%. And unless there is some remarkable uplift, this rate cut is now sealed. The bigger question, however, is not about the September rate cut, rather about whether this can be a 50 basis point cut or what happens after that. For now, Fed futures are pricing in 2 rate cuts this year and 1 in January. But this appears on relatively premised on steady conditions. Should the labor market deteriorate, not an unlikely possibility, more aggressive monetary easing cannot and should not be ruled out, even if a 50 basis point cut in September is still an unlikely outcome. The next important issue is how are markets going to respond? Cheer the rate cut or rue the economic weakness? Rate cuts in response to growth weakness are typically not good for equities, especially growth equities. These have already started to roll over. Sentiment is neutral, no longer euphoric, and breadth has started to fade gradually. September will be a pivotal month, one way or another. Risks are skewed to the downside. Our detailed report, End of Goldilocks, covers this and more. In the meantime, tonight we will know if the labor market has the patience of Job. This is Sunil Garg from Lighthouse Canton.